This slice of pizza, your organs are about to review it live.
Crunch, tear, grind. Carbs and fat incoming. Make it small enough to swallow.
Down the esophagus, no digestion yet, just delivery.
I'm the stomach. I'll churn this, but pizza is heavy.
All that fat and cheese, it slows me down. Food sits longer. I absorb the goods, carbs become glucose, fats get packaged up.
Glucose rising, releasing insulin to push sugar into cells now.
We're carrying sugar everywhere. Energy now, but don't overload us.
I store some fuel, but extra calories often get saved as body fat.
Pizza's often high in sodium. More sodium can mean more fluid and higher pressure.
Fat plus carbs are reward signals. Tastes amazing and can trigger cravings. You may feel a quick boost, then a crash, especially after big portions. We filter that extra sodium. You might feel thirstier afterward. Drink water.
Most pizza's low in fiber, so your gut bugs don't get much to work with.
Pizza can fit a healthy diet. Just watch portions, sodium, and frequency. Pair it with salad and water.